Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports, where we have just acquired this very rare. This is the Scirocco R. Don't confuse this with the R lines and that. This is the R. Very quick. It's in lovely condition as well. Got some aftermarket alloy wheels on that really add to it. It's got the grooved discs, the R brake calipers. It's the tech specs. So you've got the sat nav. Look at that. So it's the R with the deeper, much deeper and larger rear diffuser and bumper, twin exhausts, rear park distance control there. Boot area is in lovely condition. It's very sunny today. Inside you've got the full leather interior, absolutely stunning. Auto headlights. Got multifunction steering wheel. It's only done 82,038 miles. Try and get the glare off. It's got satellite navigation, the tech pack. Got all your temperature sensors, turbo bars there, heated seats, comfort of sport mode, 6-speed gearbox, nice R leather steering wheel. Don't see many of these in the Scirocco. At DJ's we're full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.